What to do, gardeners, and welcome back to another day in the life. If there is one thing I hate about the summertime, it has to be the winged demons, mosquitoes. I feel they definitely have to be one of the plagues left over from when God was scorching the earth. As long as I've been an outdoorman, I've always went with off deep woods or other products like it that are heavy and deep. After becoming more conscious about my health and seeing what that stuff actually does to plants and the stuff around you, I definitely don't want it on me. So use what you got to make it work. Let's make a cost-efficient bug repellent that ain't gonna kill us. For this, we need simple ingredients, starting with witch hazel. Witch hazel is a plant in which the leaf, bark, and twigs are used to make medicine. It's usually used to soothe irritated skin, such as bug bites and even acne. Next up, you will need purified or distilled water. This is mineral water. It's going to do us just as good. Next up, you'll need essential oils, usually the ones that repel bugs, such as eucalyptus, peppermint, lemongrass, yum. And lastly, you need a container to hold your concoction. I would recommend going with something glass, a darker glass like green or brown, because some of your oils are sensitive to light and they're going to need that darker color to protect them. Also, you don't want this plastic leaching into your solution. This is all I got right now, so we're gonna make it work. The water was $1, the spray bottle was $1, the witch hazel was $2, and the essential oil pack was 18 bucks. So we have 18, 20, 21, 22. 22 bucks for everything. Let's get to it. The measurements come out to half and half of the witch hazel and distilled water, so let's get that mixed up. That's our witch hazel. Now let's add some water. I'd say that's about half and half. Woo, I gotta hurry up, boy, they on me. We are going to accomplish this by using the eucalyptus, the peppermint, and the lemongrass. Do you see how these are in the dark glass bottles? That protects our oil. This recipe calls for 15 drops of each of the oils we're gonna use. Yeah, they ain't wasting any time getting on me. Now that we have our oils added to the concoction, you can actually see where they're separating, so let's give it a good shake. Now that we have our homemade bug repellent, the only thing left to do is apply it. This is supposed to last at least 30 minutes, so it should last just long enough to get done what we need to get done, and if not, we can apply some more. It may not keep the bugs away, but I sure smell amazing. I'll keep you updated. You see it.